These are specs from Lenskart. These are prescription glasses. You have to order them online or you can visit the store. At store you can have the option to get them delivered at home or at your location. So here's the lens that I ordered. Blue smart lenses. It's an ad for Lenskart, customer care number and all those. And a coupon for Agio. That's because Reliance has tied up with Lenskart. It's my bill for 1412 rupees. Let's open these glasses. I will link these glasses in the description, and if they are any good, because they were aerolite models claiming to be really light. Okay, so it came in a good form. Yeah, these are the glasses. They look good, a bit shiny for my liking. Vincent Chase design Italiano. Let's see. So this was an unboxing for the glass, and the box feels nice. Thank you. I'll tell you more about it after using it for 10 days, as it has been written over here.